Hello students, now we are going to see experiment 2B, that is simulation of relaxation oscillator circuit using 741 operational amplifier. We need software ORCAD line 9.2 light edition, then components 741 IC we have to select from EVEL, then resistors, capacitors we have to select from analog, then one sine source, then one DC source, both we will select from source, then ground. So same procedure we have to follow. Here run time is 1000 millisecond and step size is 10 millisecond we have to give to simulate the oscillator. Okay, this is the circuit. Three resistors, 1K, 10K, another one also 10K, one capacitor 0.1 microfarad and two voltage source 22 volt and 12 volt. If we simulate, we will get this waveforms. Okay, square wave and capacitor wave. Now we'll see the simulation part. Go to ORCAD 9.2 light edition. There capture CIS light edition. File, new project. I am doing 2B experiment, so I am giving name 2B. It should be analog or mixed AD. Okay, then give OK. Create a blank project. You should click here, then give OK. So this window will be opened. Then this is the place part. You can select your components. So from EVEL, I am choosing the IC 741. Then enter mode. Then I will choose all the resistors, capacitors. Three resistors I need. So after placing three resistors, I will give enter mode. Then this resistor I need to rotate. So I am giving Control R. Then capacitor I need. So C. One capacitor here. End mode. This I am rotating. Then DC voltage I need, so I am giving VDC. I am searching it. One is here, another one is here. I need to rotate this because 7 should be connected with positive supply, so I am rotating. Here also fourth pin should be connected with negative supply, so I am rotating it again. Then I am connecting everything with the wires. This with the third pin. Then I am giving ground. I have to choose this. Here I should make 0. Okay, here one ground, another ground is here, another ground is here, another one more is here. In the mode, this I have to rotate, so Control R or right click rotate here also. Then I am choosing wire again. Connections are over. Now we can change the values. .1 microfarad. Then this is 10K resistor. This is also 10K. This is 1K only. This is 22 volt. This is 12 volt. So everything is done. We can give the probe. So this is so first capacitor wave I will take from pin number 2. So I am keeping it on pin number 2. Then output wave, that is square waveform, that I will take from 6th pin. So I am keeping it here. In the mode, after doing everything, you save it. Then you go for simulation profile. Create. Here I should give runtime and steps wise, 1000 ms and 10 ms. Then I can simulate it. We'll change the runtime. We'll give 1 ms and this is 0.01 ms step size. Apply. OK. Then you can simulate it. Run it. So this is your output. Square wave as well as capacitor wave. Okay. Thank you.